Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some vintage cottage inspired kitchen decorating ideas. Let's start the video. Vintage cottage inspired kitchen decor is a warm, cozy decorating style that blends the charm of old-fashioned cottages with timeless vintage details. It creates a welcoming kitchen that feels lived in, comfortable, and full of character, rather than sleek or modern. Key features of this style: use natural wood, aged or distressed wood cabinets, shelves, tables, and tools, add warmth and authenticity. Use vintage furniture like farmhouse tables, painted hotches, antique cupboards, and mismatched wooden chairs. Give the room personality. Use open shelving for display everyday dishes, mason jars, teacups, and vintage pictures instead of hiding everything behind cabinet doors. Use classic patterns like floral prints, gingham, stripes, and small checks appear on curtains, cushions, and table linens. Use traditional materials like ceramic, enamelware, cast iron, copper, wicker, and glass. Help create a nostalgic feel. Decorative accessories: use vintage clocks, bread boxes, enamel canisters, oven baskets, cutting boards, and fresh flowers. Complete the look. Warm lighting like pendant lights, wall sconces, or vintage-inspired pictures with warm bulbs make the kitchen feel cozy. A vintage cottage kitchen should feel comfortable rather than formal, bright and airy with plenty of natural light. Functional white steel beautifully decorated, filled with personal touches, heirlooms, and handmade items. Timeless vestigia following short-lived trends. The goal is to create a kitchen that feels like a peaceful countryside retreat, where family and friends naturally gather to cook, eat, and spend time together. Vintage cottage inspired kitchen decor is about creating a space that feels as though it has evolved naturally over many years, instead of buying everything new and matching. The style celebrates pieces with history, texture, and personality. Mix old and new. A true vintage cottage kitchen often combines modern appliances with antique inspired furniture and decor. For example, you might pair a modern refrigerator with a vintage wooden pantry cabinet or an old farmhouse table. Enhance imperfections. Small scratches, distressed paint on wood, and aged metal add character, rather than having sign of age. This style highlights them as part of the kitchen's charm. Layer different textures. Texture makes the kitchen feel warm and inviting. Combine natural wood, linen fabrics, wicker baskets, ceramic pottery, glass jars, copper or brass accents, stone or batka block countertops. Display everyday items. Instead of storing everything behind closed cabinets, display attractive everyday essentials such as white ceramic dishes, vintage teapots, glass canisters, wooden cutting boards, enamel pictures, and cookbooks. Bring nature indoors. Use fresh flowers, herbs, and greenery. Make the kitchen feel alive. Use lavender, rosemary, basil, thyme, eucalyptus, and wildflowers are popular choices. Add handmade touches. Handcrafted items give the kitchen a personal feel, including crochet table runners, lace curtains, quilted pot holders, handmade pottery, and oven baskets. Choose timeless hardware, cabinet handles and sockets in antique brass, bronze, or brushed nickel. Complement the vintage look better than shiny modern finishes. Create a cozy dining corner if space allows. Add a small breakfast nook with a wooden table, cushioned chairs, floral cushions, and a simple centerpiece like fresh flowers or candles. Focus on comfort. Vintage cottage kitchens are designed to feel welcoming, use soft lighting, comfortable seating, and practical storage. Help make the space enjoyable for everyday life. Decorate with meaningful pieces. Use family heirlooms, vintage style, old clocks, antique skills, or cherished collections. Add personality and make the kitchen feel unique rather than staged. A beautiful vintage cottage kitchen should feel warm, peaceful, and full of memories, where natural materials, soft colors, and treasured objects come together to create a timeless, inviting space. A vintage cottage-inspired kitchen is designed to feel warm, relaxed, and collected over time, rather than following perfect modern trends. It celebrates comfort, craftsmanship, and timeless beauty. Architectural details. Simple architectural features add cottage charm, such as baseboard or shiplap walls, wooden ceiling beams, tongue and groove paneling, built-in shelves, wide window trims. These details create a cozy handcrafted appearance. A functional farmhouse sink. A deep apron front sink is both practical and beautiful. It pairs well with vintage-style buckets in antique brush or brushed nickel and becomes a focal point of the kitchen. Beautiful storage. Storage is both useful and decorative. Consider displaying glass jars filled with flour, sugar, rice, or pasta. Oven baskets for fruits and vegetables. Use wooden crates for cookbooks. Vintage things for tea and cookies. Everything is organized while remaining easy to access. Classic countertop styling. Keep countertops simple instead of overcrowded. Display only a few carefully chosen items such as a wooden breadboard, a ceramic utensil crock, a fresh bouquet of flowers, a vintage batter dish, and a bowl of seasonal fruit. Use warm metals. Mix warm metallic finishes throughout the kitchen, including copper cookware, brass cabinet handles, bronze light fixtures, and iron pot racks. These materials develop a beautiful patina as they age. Charming window treatments. Soft window coverings make the kitchen feel welcoming. Popular choices include floral cafe curtains, linen trim and shades, gingham curtains, lace valances. Natural light remains an important feature. Next, seasonal decoration. Refresh the kitchen throughout the year with subtle seasonal touches. For spring, use wildflowers and pastel ceilings. For summer, use fresh herbs and oven baskets. For autumn, use pumpkins, dried wheat, and warm-toned lines. For winter, use pine branches, candles, and cozy textiles. Comfortable color layering. Instead of using one color everywhere, combine several gentle shades such as cream, shush green, dusty blue, soft gray, and warm beige. This creates depth while maintaining a calm, harmonious look. Use vintage-inspired accessories. Decorate with meaningful pieces like antique kitchen skills, enamel coffee pots, wooden rolling pins, ceramic mixing bowls, vintage recipe boxes, and old wall hooks. These accessories tell a story and give the kitchen personality. A relaxed atmosphere. The heart of vintage cottage style is creating a kitchen that feels lived in and inviting. Every item should be both useful and beautiful, making the space ideal for cooking, gathering with family, and enjoying everyday moments. A well-designed vintage cottage kitchen is not about perfection. It is about warmth, authenticity, and creating a timeless space that feels welcoming every day. A vintage cottage-inspired kitchen is more than a decorating style. It creates a peaceful, welcoming environment where every detail feels thoughtful and timeless. The best spaces look collected over many years rather than decorated all at once. Choose furniture that tells a story, such as an antique farmhouse table, a painted wooden hut, a vintage pantry cabinet, a small vodka block island. Wooden tools with a distressed finish. These pieces become the heart of the kitchen. Instead of wearing beautiful dishes, display them on open plate racks, floating shelves, glass front cabinets, and wall-mounted plate hangers. White ironstone, floral china, and vintage stoneware all fit the style beautifully. Use botanical elements. Nature plays an important role in cottage kitchens. Decorate with potted herbs on the windowsill, fresh eucalyptus, lavender bundles, wildflowers in ceramic pitchers, botanical artwork, or vintage plant prints. These touches bring freshness and color into the room. Layer soft fabrics to make the kitchen feel inviting. Use linen tea towels, cotton tablecloths, crochet table runners, floral seat cushions, and Hanover rugs. Natural fabrics add warmth and texture without overwhelming the space. Vintage glassware. Collect clear or colored vintage glass pieces such as messengers, milk glass vases, amber glass bottles, ribbed glass canisters, and glass cake stands. They add elegance while remaining practical. Simple wall decor. Keep walls charming but uncluttered by using vintage clocks, wooden sign, framed botanical prints, antique mirrors, wooden peg rails for hanging baskets or aprons. Natural scents. A cottage kitchen should smell as welcoming as it looks. Natural scents can come from fresh bread, herbs, kitchen fruits, cinnamon, vanilla, and fresh flowers. This creates a comforting atmosphere without needing strong artificial fragrances. Use handmade details. Handcrafted items make the kitchen feel unique. Use hand-thrown pottery, knitted or crocheted accessories, handmade cutting boards, open baskets, and embroidered linens. These details add personality and celebrate craftsmanship. Soft color contrast. To keep the room interesting, pair light neutrals with darker accents like black iron hardware, deep green plants, warm walnut wood, and copper cookware. This contrast adds depth while preserving the soft cottage aesthetic. Timeless rather than trendy. The goal is not to follow the latest design trends. Instead, choose quality materials, classic patterns, and meaningful accessories that will remain beautiful for years. A vintage cottage-inspired kitchen feels calm, nostalgic, and welcoming. It blends practical design with timeless charm, creating a space for cooking, sharing meals, and spending time with loved ones feels relaxed and enjoyable. To make a vintage cottage-inspired kitchen feel truly authentic, focus on creating a space that is both practical and full of personality. Here are more 10 ideas. Create a cozy breakfast nook, a small corner with a round wooden table, painted chairs, soft cushions, and fresh flowers. Create a charming spot for morning coffee or family meals. Next, use reclaimed wood. Incorporate reclaimed or weathered wood for shelves, countertops, ceiling beams, or a kitchen island. The natural grain and aged appearance add warmth and history. Organize with vintage label. Store pantry staples in matching glass jars with handwritten or vintage style labels. This keeps the pantry tidy while enhancing the nostalgic look. Mix different chair styles. Instead of using identical dining chairs, combine painted wooden chairs, benches, or tools in complementary colors. This collected look is a hallmark of cottage style. Decorate with seasonal products. Display fresh apples, lemon, pumpkins, or pears in wooden bowls. or wicker baskets. Seasonal fruits and vegetables add natural color and freshness. Showcase copper and enamelware. Hang copper pans, enamel pictures, or vintage colanders on wall hooks or a pot jack. These everyday items become beautiful decorative features. Add soft lighting layers. Combine ceiling lights with wall sconces, table lamps, or undershelf lighting. Use warm layered lighting makes the kitchen feel inviting from morning to evening. Keep the space open and airy. Avoid overcrowding surfaces with decorations. Leave open areas on countertops and shelves so the kitchen feels spacious, bright, and easy to use. Celebrate everyday rituals. Create a dedicated coffee or tea station with vintage mugs, a ceramic teapot, sugar bowls, and wooden trays. Small, purposeful displays make the kitchen feel lived in. Tell a personal story. Display treasured family recipes, heirloom dishes, antique utensils, or handmade crafts. These meaningful pieces give the kitchen character and make it uniquely yours. The secret to the style, the beauty of a Vintage Cottage-inspired kitchen comes from balance. Blend old and new, mix textures and materials, use soft colors, and choose decorations that are both useful and beautiful. Instead of trying to make the room look perfect, aim to create a space that feels warm, welcoming, and filled with memories. A kitchen that invites people to slow down, cook, and enjoy time together. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.